Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your graphics card isn't displaying on Windows 11, whether it's a 10, 8, or 7 series. It works the same everywhere. First, make sure your monitor is connected through the graphics card port, not the motherboard port. That's number one. Second, if there's an image through the motherboard but not through the graphics card, you'll need to go into your browser and, depending on your GPU manufacturer, download and install the driver for it. To do that, you'll need to enter your graphics card name and driver in the search. Type it in. In my case, it's RTX 3060 12GB driver. Hit enter and go to the website. Yeah, if it's AMD, it'll be the AMD website. Mine is the standard site. Here it is. Here you can check out your graphics card, but what we're interested in is the driver itself. Click on the driver and again type in your graphics card name, in my case RTX 3060. 30 to 60 in my case is just 11 windows, yes, and accordingly we click Find. So we click accordingly for us. Well, I need game ready for games, right? Well, that's 99%. Well, you're going to need it for games. Click download. Well, for games this has an optimized video card, so let's download it. After the file downloads, open the X file. The installer opens, click OK, and the installation begins. Here the installer opens, I select the other option. I click Next. I select Express, click Next, and the installation proceeds. After installation, restart your computer, and that's it. It was Weller with you. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.